Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making some baby rattles as part of my baby shower series of cookies. This is one of 4. And to start, I'm doing a little band across the top of the rattle, and this is a white piping consistency royal icing in a piping bag with a number 2 tip. And I'm filling it in with a flooding consistency of the same color, and then just using my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now I'm going to outline the rest of the rattle. So I've got this light pink color with a piping consistency in a number 2 tip, and I'm outlining the rest of the top of the rattle, and then I'm going to bring it down to the handle as well as the little bit on the bottom. And I'm going to fill this in with the same color except in a flooding consistency that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And again, I'll just use my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now, while this pink is still wet, I want to add some polka dots to the pink parts. So I just have my flooding consistency white here. This is a squeeze bottle that has a coupler attached to it and a number 2 tip, just to give me a little bit more precision. You could just use a regular squeeze bottle, as that would work as well. Now, I've let this completely dry overnight, and I'm just going to add some details. I've got my piping consistency pink again, and I'm just outlining or re-outlining the white band on the front, and that's a piping consistency number 2 tip. And the same goes for this yellow. It's a piping consistency with a number 2 tip, and I'm creating a little heart on the bottom. I thought that would be kind of cute on the handle, and it's just basically 2 circles, and I'm dragging them downwards to a point. I've also got a number 2 tip here with some piping consistency baby blue, and I'm creating a little bow. And it's just basically a few little loop-de-loops and some swirls, and just a little tiny nubby on the front of the bow to create a knot. Next, I've got some gold luster dust that I've mixed with some vodka just to dilute it and to make it paintable. And I've just got a little bit here on a liner brush, and I'm creating a tiny little gold heart on that white band that I created earlier. And that's just a nice little finishing touch. So here we go, we've got a rattle, a baby rattle, as part of my baby shower series. You can see the other 3 videos in my YouTube library. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to me on YouTube. Bye!